Imagine Google search, ChatGPT, and Canva fused into one AI that writes, designs, and researches for you. Today, I'll show you how to use it properly, so it actually thinks with you. Here we have Gemini AI. So first thing you want to do is to head to gemini.google.com or open it directly from the new Chrome sidebar, and then you want to click try the Gemini Advanced to access the full multimodal tools. Now, first thing to use Gemini is you want to choose the AI model you want to use. Then you can also enter your text, image, or audio prompts in the message box on the Gemini homepage. So once Gemini spits out a response, you have a handful of options. You can edit your original prompts, enter or say a new prompt, like or dislike the response. You can also ask Gemini to redo its response. Then you can share the response, copy the response, fact check the Gemini's response, listen to the response, and review different versions of Gemini's responses. It's very simple. So just ask a question, then you can type your AI prompt, use deep research in Gemini, create a separate canvas, generate or edit an image, and click or talk to Gemini. And you can also upload the image directly. You can even interact with Gemini's responses. You can edit your original prompts, enter new ones, like or dislike, give a reaction, share your response, and then even copy the link to share it. Now you can also just fact check it directly because there are links that connected to the prompts itself, and you can directly check if it is factual or just hallucination of Gemini. So basically how to use it in the Chrome browser is just type at Gemini in the search tab on your Chrome browser, and then it will automatically ask or prompt the AI if you want to ask a question. It's very simple, and that's how you can basically use Google Gemini. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.